Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about populations and sampling. So we first want to define what population is, sample, random sample, and bias sample. So I'm going to give you all the definitions. I encourage you to definitely copy them down after I finish going over them. Okay, so the population is an entire group of objects or individuals to be considered for a survey. So that means everybody. So a population of the city you live in, the population of the state that you live in, the population at school. A sample is just a part of that population. So if we use school and there's 3 different grade levels, a sample could just be one particular grade level. Random sample, this is where every person gets to be a part of being selected. In other words, everyone has the opportunity of being selected. Where does everyone go? If we're talking about school, at some point everyone goes to the cafeteria for lunch. Or, so that's definitely an opportunity. If you do random survey of everybody entering, maybe the cafeteria, you could say every 10th person or whatnot. A bias sample is standing outside the fine arts hall and asking band kids, should kids sign up for band? Well, that's bias because you're only asking the band kids. You have to be able to ask everyone. So this unit in 7th grade, this is the definition part, but the math piece will come from the percentages and comparing and making inferences. So an inference is asking kids that come out of the band hall, like, do you think kids should learn how to play an instrument? Well, obviously the inferences you're going to make would be, well, yeah, because they're coming out of the band hall. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to do a couple of these from the example, and then you're required to finish the rest of them. So it says, Alexis wants to know, read the directions. For each situation, identify the population and determine whether the sample is random or biased. So if it's biased, you're not allowing everyone to participate. Okay. Alexis wants to know which sport is favored among students at her high school. She surveyed 100 students in the stands of the football game. So she's not giving everyone an opportunity because not everybody goes to the football games. So this population would have to include everybody at the high school. And because it's only asking the kids at the football, that's not fair. But our population is the high school students. And I know that I didn't say junior high because it particularly said high school. And she actually said her high school. So it has to be her high school. Surveys 100 students. Well, it's definitely biased. It's not random. So this sample is biased. All right, so let's go to if each question is biased. Is football your favorite sport to watch? Well, you kind of leading, so is football your favorite sport to watch? So that's definitely bias. What is your favorite color? It didn't specify, just what is your favorite color? So that is definitely not a bias survey. It's fair. So think about bias being fair and not fair. Okay. Since your birthday is in April, what is that your favorite month? So we're kind of like, I think of those cop shows, Law and Order, objection, leading the witness. See how it leads, since your birthday is April, is that your favorite month? That's pretty biased. That is definitely not a fair question. Okay, so now, you have 5 questions to complete and turn in to me. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.